So, hey Karen. So why did you open 511 Farm Sanctuary?
Ooh. Well, I've always loved animals, and I feel like it just kind of naturally evolved. Like it was just very organic. It wasn't like I set out on a plan to open a sanctuary. It just organically happened.
It found you.
Yeah, yeah.
So what's your mission here? What do you want people to know?
Oh, you're gonna get me all emotional now.
Yeah, emotional's okay.
I guess I just want people to see them the way I see them, and to see their personalities, and to see just they deserve so much more than what we do to them and how we treat